Hi guys! Aalis ako! First time ko actually na lalabas after like 2 weeks being at home. Kasi okay na yung burn ko. And hindi na siya painful and hindi na siya nag-inflame. So, I can go out already. Now we're going to go to the library. And then we were going to do the laundry at the Google and we're going to meet the, what do you call that, babe? The Android version.
Oreo?
The Android version that they have in Google. And they have the latest one, which is Oreo. So, see you later. Yan, sasara natin ito. Yun yung lobby. Tadadang, tadadang. Come on, babe.
Come on.
This is actually the main building, guys. Kaya maraming tao.
Hopefully, if we stay here long enough, they'll have the food trucks.
I guess they have already because I saw somebody's bringing. I can go out and walk you around. There you go. Punta kami dito kasi dyan yung laundry station. How many minutes? So, maglakad-lakad muna kami dito sa campus. Meron sila dyang available. Look at that crocodile. That's not crocodile. This is a Jurassic.
That's
They're Jurassic Park. Dinosaur. Let's get here. Their garden, guys. Alam mo, this is otot-otot in Philippines. Look at their garden. It's so... Oh, they have little lemon, lime. Yeah, you can pick them.
That one's actually really good.
Yeah. Okay. This is my favorite parking area. Here. Because of the color. I love yellow green. Look at that structure, guys. That's amazing. Flags are everywhere.
Okay, is it slice?
This is just one of the campus that we have. How many campus do you have here?
There's Sunnyvale, there's the one close to us, called Quad. There's this one, Shorebird.
That's where I took the photo.
There's one
When I first got
there's
here.
San Francisco has an office.
I mean, in this area, right there. How many campuses? Yeah, this is a new version, guys, of the Android. Look at that, it looks beautiful. Huh? Right. Yeah. You can go ahead and take. Look at that. It looks real good. You see that, guys? That is the shuttle of Google. So they have a lot of shuttles right here, actually, and it's super huge. So they really accommodate their employee to be in their destination. Isn't it nice? It's really nice.
That is correct. So is this. So this is correct.
Alright, you're gonna take me a photo over here.
No.
Help me.
So this is me.
Look at the guys. That's their new vision. Oreo! It looks, I mean, the way how they make it, it looks real. And you wanna pick them to eat them. Punta tayo sa, nainganyo ako dito sa ano, sa garden nila. Anong meron? Meron sila Shishito Pepper. There's a name. Zucchini. Yerba mate. Oh, that's cool. That doesn't snap anymore.
Now this one is.
Nihintay pa namin mag-wash yung ano, yung, what do you call this? Our laundry. And then, pupunta kami sa cross ng building or campus to show you guys those other version of Android. They have so many limes here, guys. They have so many limes, and nobody's getting it. Yan. So I'm sure itong mga flowers kasi magpo-fall na. It will be starting to die. What is that, babe? That's not a lime, babe. That's so huge.
Yeah, it is. It's a lime.
No.
Yes.
Look at that. That one. That's the very end. You see that? That doesn't look like a naka-color, okay?
Those are just
Ku melamun termenung bisu, ku rindu harum emakku. Rembulan berpijar lugu, tercermin sosok lembut sang ibu.